Namaste. Welcome to Hema Foundation. Viruses are non-cellular microscopic infectious agents that can only replicate inside a host cell. From a biological perspective, viruses cannot be classified either a living organism or non-living. This is due to the fact that they possess certain defining characteristic features of living organisms and non-living entities. In a nutshell, a virus is a non-cellular infectious entity made up of genetic material and protein that can invade and reproduce only within a living cell of bacteria, plant, and animals. For instance, a virus cannot replicate itself outside the host cell. This is because viruses lack the required cellular machinery. Therefore, it enters and attaches itself to a specific host cell, injects its genetic material, reproduces by using the host genetic material, and finally the host cell splits open, releasing the new virus. Viruses can also be crystallized, which no other living organisms can do. It is these factors that lead to viruses being classified in the gray area between the living and the non-living. So, viruses mainly depend on a host to deliver the complex metabolic machinery of prokaryotic or eukaryotic cells for propagation. The main task of the virus is to carry its DNA or RNA genome to the host cell, which then can be transcribed by the host cell. How is this connected with empathy? Virus needs an empathetic host cell for it to replicate. In the absence of this empathetic host cell, viruses does not replicate. Simple. Imagine ourselves to be the host cells. Let the virus of empathy be planted inside so that the same gets replicated. Empathy requires a human host to replicate anything. We are capable of generating the viruses of empathy effectively and spread around the goodwill. Empathy is an act of showing the feeling of pain or pleasure of others, for which we need to put ourselves in the feet of others. And for this to happen, there must be a nurturing, caring mind. Thus, we become the host for such emotions. Now, try to answer the questions given below. Thank you.